Bam, we're blowing up in your face here on Blake TV. It's like 2 a.m. in the morning. Let everyone look at me and Maya and Ashley trying to get the hell out. WB, we see you. We see the crack of the ass and everything. So check it out. If you want
I don't know what's worse. Veronica jumping out or the booties running by.
You want to know what's going down? We're at the
We've
2009.
been quiet all this time. Now fucking security's gonna come back. Oh,
It's a 2009 Zumba conference. It's late night. You're trying to figure out what do we do after we've done like 8 hours of Zumba Atomic, Zumba Gold, or Zumba 1 or Zumba 2, Basic 2. Well,
why you gotta come in my direction?
because you're the realest person. I call you the realest since I met you.
But you know what? Wait, in my defense, let me say that I didn't get my first one of these till about 10 or 11 o'clock at night. There was some Zen members at the bar at like 4 o'clock this afternoon. I'm not gonna mention no names, but I saw some white looking like pina colada kind of drinks. Yeah, so don't be calling me out.
Hey, I'm just saying what we do. I mean, if I had one, I would have one.
Like last
No.
call.
You know what I'm saying? But basically, we trying to relax. We're here in the hot tub. I don't know what time it is. It's definitely after like 12.
There's the clock. Put it on the clock. Put it on the clock.
Oh, right up there. Yeah. Bam. I'm saying the clock ain't ever lie. Oh.
Hey, are you?
No, but I'm trying to keep it low because the light.
It says 2:44.
Yeah. I can't really get. Yeah. But we got a man right here.
I'm gonna edit that shot.
Yeah. We got a man right here, Mike K, a.k.a. Paparazzi, a.k.a. Pimp Daddy. You got a pen?
Got a pen? No, that's
What's going down? How's your time going, man?
Freaking awesome, man. Convention's just non-stop action.
Are you glad that you came down? Is it all that you thought it would be?
It's much more.
What would you tell the people who might want to come for 2010?
I think probably, certification's definitely really cool. Getting to meet Beto, it's just awesome. I've seen him several times today. Just the sheer number of people, the camaraderie between everybody, just awesome.
See, now you heard it from yourself. Can we show you or no?
Pen.
No.
And bring
if you don't want
business
to,
cards.
We won't come to you.
Get that.
What?
If you're gonna come, make sure you bring business cards.
Why? Because it's more professional. That's right. That's what we try to tell.
Or networking.
Over here, we have an assistant.
Oh, God.
Right here. Can you introduce yourself to the Blake TV world?
What's up? My name is George.
Where do you reside at, George?
I live in Tampa, Florida.
And what studio do you teach at?
Flavor Fitness Studio. This is Jenny James, my boss right here.
What do you think about your boss? What did you call your boss?
Sexy, bro. He's sexy.
How does it mean, having a sexy boss?
It's awesome.
It's a hard job.
It's a hard job.
Literally, it's a hard job.
You know what I'm saying? So,
edit that one too.
it's all good.
If you get this version, it's the uncut version, you are like serious VIP.
You know what I'm saying? Watch this. We gotta go blow up Mia, Maya, and Ashley crack of the ass spot over here. You know what I'm saying? It might get a little dark. You might just see my black ass for a second, but you can listen to the words. You can listen to the words of this thing coming out. You know what I'm saying? Listen to the words in my mouth. It's gonna get better. Watch. I come into focus, and we can see what's going on over here. Boom. Right there, everyone. Look at that. Mexico. Represent. You know what I'm saying? Oh, that's me and Maya right there, and that is WB, aka Weak Blatter. Oscar. Mexico represents. So check it out. Hopefully you can see me. I'm gonna get in the light where I think you can see me as we end this little session. Look at Ashley back there in the background, still right there. That's Ashley right there, the little mermaid right there. I ain't gonna tell you what she got underneath that water. Okay, I gotta go. Next time you see me, hopefully be dancing with Beto or somebody like that. Blake TV 2 and 2. The 2009 Zumba conference is going great, and we're out of here. Yeah. Look at my pants, everyone. I was in the hot tub in these pants. Yeah. Check out the flex. Yeah. We're out.